Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of deleting the recent search history in Messenger. Whether you're looking to clear your search history for privacy reasons or simply to start fresh, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type Messenger in the search bar. Step 2. Look for a lightning bolt icon with a background gradient between blue and pink. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download Messenger. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the Messenger app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. If you have previously searched for something, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Step 5. You will see a list of accounts that appear in the Recent Searches section. Tap on the Edit button. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Clear All option to delete your recent search history in Messenger. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete the recent search history in Messenger. This can help keep your search activity private and organized. Please note that clearing your search history will remove all the recent searches from your Messenger app. If you wish to keep any specific searches, make sure to note them down before proceeding. We hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with deleting the recent search history in Messenger. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more Messenger tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.